Hi, Alan here from Porsche Centre, Brunei. Special car deserves special attention. In Porsche, we have developed a wide range of car care products specially dedicated for your Porsche. In this short video, I'll be showing you a car care set from Porsche Equipment. First off, we have the insect remover. Before washing your car, you may use this product to remove any stubborn insect remains from the surface of your vehicle. You can also use it for cleaning en route. Simply spray on surface, wipe with a sponge, and rinse thoroughly with water. Next off is the window cleaner. Use this to wash the exterior windows and windscreen of your car. Need not worry, this product's formula prevents causing blockage at your car's washer jets. Next is the Porsche Washing Shampoo and Convertible Top Cleaner. This cleaning product is perfect for your vehicle, be it a convertible or not a convertible. This product does not damage the wax or preserving coatings of your Porsche. Not only does it remove dirt thoroughly, it prepares the vehicle for polishing and waxing. These are paintwork polish and hard wax. Regular polishing can remove surface scratches and coarser dirt, and this Porsche hard wax can ensure your polished paintwork to have a lasting protection effect. This car care set comes with a handy guide that gives you all the instruction for how to do it. When it comes to the interior care of your Porsche, these two products come in handy. The interior glass cleaner is easy to use. Simply spray on the window, then rinse streak-free with a smooth cloth. To preserve your Porsche's leather for the long term, this leather conditioner comes very handy. This product can penetrate deeply into the leather to preserve its natural suppleness and prevents cracks from forming. And with that is our comprehensive set of car care products. They come in a set with a Porsche embedded sponge and a generous amount of wiping clothes. All your solutions in one bag. Available now in Porsche Centre, Brunei.